This is a 2-row repeat pattern that gives you a little bit of a bumpy texture on one side and a flat texture on the back side. So if you are doing this in the round, when you get to the end of your row and chain 1, you will need to turn just like you do for the back and forth rows, because if you don't turn, then you're not going to get this this pattern on this side. Because start with a slip knot. I'm going to chain 37, but you can chain any number for this pattern. For row 1, single crochet, starting in the second chain from the hook. Single crochet in every stitch. Okay, that is the end of row 1, single crochet in every stitch. Chain 1, turn your work. For row 2, we're going to do a puff stitch in every stitch. So starting in the first stitch, this is a single crochet puff stitch. Insert your hook, yarn over and pull through. You have 2 loops. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through. You have 4 loops. Yarn over and pull through all 4 loops. And that's it. Go to the next one. And just do that all the way across. Your texture is going to be on the back side. So I'm going to do this all the way to the end of row 2. Okay, that's the end of row 2. Chain 1, turn your work. Now you can see that texture that puff stitch gave you. So that's going to be the side that you're going to want to show as the main side, and the back side is going to be flat. So now the rest of the project is just a repeat of row 1 and 2. Row 1 being single crochet all the way across. And row 2 being puff stitches, single crochet puff stitches all the way across. So that's it. Very simple, easy pattern. I'm going to end the project with a single crochet row so that it looks similar on the top and the bottom. So that's the end. I'm just going to tie it off. And then I'm going to weave in the tail. So this was an initial chain of 37.